In this video, I want to show you how to use Autoproctor to write an online exam. Autoproctor is an online examination and assessment platform that is designed to facilitate remote proctoring of exam. It provides tools for institutions, educators, and organizations to conduct exams securely over the internet while ensuring integrity of the exam process. So today I want to show you how to use it in case you have an online exam where they are using Autoproctor to conduct the exam. So let's go there. When you have such exam, of course, the institution will have sent you the link, the instruction as to how you should conduct yourself during the exam. However, let me take you through and take a demo on how this tool is used. So, like in this instance, the instruction has been passed to me and the link for the instruction has been sent to me. If you are writing an online exam using Autoproctor, the instruction and the link will have been sent to you. So first, let's check the instruction, because if you don't follow the instruction, it's going to affect your score. So let's check the instruction. Here is the instruction on how to use the platform. You can even see there is video tutorial here. So you can see the guideline for taking the text and also the type of gadgets needed that supports the platform and also the browser recommended. And you can take demo test here as well. But if you go back here, as I said earlier on, that the instruction concerning the exam will have been provided here for you. For example, do not answer or receive call during the test, because what the platform does is to monitor you so that there will be no room for cheating. Also, ensure that you take the exam in quiet and disturbance-free environment, because if there is distraction or people are moving, because your camera must be on, which will be taking your picture frequently. So if somebody moves behind you, the camera will capture it, and that may be interpreted as cheating. So let's take a demo here. So I'll click on this link to take a demo. Yes, this is how it loads. If you are logging in to the site for the first time, it will ask you to permit it to access your camera and your audio device, which you should give the permission. Then this is the example how you should appear. So you must sit in such a way such that the camera of your device can capture you in this manner. So, and also you have to be looking at your screen, not looking sideways. So once you log in like this, then click on got it. So it will load. Yes, here at this stage, you have to choose entire screen because you have to share your screen. So click on entire screen. Click on share. So I have to go on full screen. And another thing is that you must not open another tab while writing the exam. These are the instructions that will be passed to you when writing the exam. So we have to go full screen. Click on full screen. Yes, once you log in, it will bring the question. You can see noise detected and face is not seen. I'm doing a tutorial, so that's why I'm talking. I'm not meant to be talking. As I'm talking, it's detecting it. So if you are writing this exam and somebody is beside you talking, this platform will detect it. And also, this is the timer. You must check your time. Here I have about 5 minutes for this exam. So as I'm talking, you can see it's detecting noise. So also, I'm not showing my face. That's why it's saying it's not showing my face. And as a result of this, whatever I do is going to mark me very low because I'm not following the instruction. And that is because I am doing a tutorial video. So now, once it opens, you will look at the questions and choose the correct answer. Read the question and pick the answer. Now, for example, Let's say in this question, after reading it, you are not so sure, but you just pick it. You just choose an option. Then you can bookmark it so that we can later review it. So let's bookmark it like this. We can later review it. Then like here, let's say I choose this option. Then I notice that the option I choose is wrong. So you click on this reset. When you click on reset, the option you chose will go away so that you can choose the right option that you think is the answer. So I'll just click on the right option now. Then here, I'll choose the right option, I think. Remaining one question to answer now. So you can come to this filter and click on answered question. So this will bring out all the questions you have answered so far. Then if I come back here and click on answer, it will show me the question I have not answered. Like in this case, I have only one question left. So I'll click to answer it. Then I can click here and click on mark for review. If I click on it, it will bring the question that I was not so sure but I've answered it. So I can review it again and make my decision. Then I can click here and say show all. So it will show all the questions. We can also just scroll and preview. Then finally, we have to submit. This is the submit icon. So once you are done, click on submit. It will ask you, are you sure you want to submit this test? If you are sure, click on yes. So it's submitting. You can just wait while it submits. Yes, it's now generating reports. Remember that I was talking, so it is going to mark me very low because I was talking. Yes, it's ready. I can scroll down. Yes, you see, because I was talking and I was not showing my face, it's showing 0. It marked me the trusted score is 0 because I was talking. You know me, I'm just doing the tutorial, so I didn't follow the instructions. So it marked score me 0. Then here you can see no face detected because I was not showing my face. Then noise detected. You can see 12 places. So if I scroll down, you can see that I was not showing my face because I was not using light. So that's why it marked me so low. Now, let me now take it. I will not be talking. I will follow all the instructions so that you can see the results. Let's do that now. Let's go back. Yes, you can see now. Now that I follow the instruction, you can see the trusted score is 90%. Even though at a point I shook a little bit, that's why it detected no face at this point. You can see here 90% trust score because I followed the instruction. So this is how to, even though the environment I used wasn't that clear, the lighting wasn't that much because the bulb was actually behind me instead of in front of me to show my face very well. So once you are writing it, make sure there is enough light where you are writing and also no noise and no disturbance. And when you are writing it, face the screen. If you turn your face to the left or the right, it means you are trying to cheat. And also, don't bring your phone close to you because if you detect your phone, this one will reduce the trust of your score. This is how to use Autoproctor to write an online exam. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.